Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of crafting miniature wooden and metal furniture. If you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for crafting into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. We'll explore market insights, essential crafting techniques, pricing strategies, and effective marketing tips that can help you succeed in this unique niche. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. You won't want to miss our special tips that can really boost your crafting business. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the market. Before diving into crafting, it's essential to understand the market for miniature furniture. Research current trends in home decor, especially within the miniature community. Platforms like Etsy, Instagram, and Pinterest can provide valuable insights into what styles are trending. Look for gaps in the market where your creations can stand out. For instance, eco-friendly options or vintage-inspired designs may attract specific demographics. By understanding your target audience, you can tailor your products to meet their preferences and increase your chances of making sales. Moreover, encourage experimentation with mixed materials, combining wood with metal accents or incorporating textiles for upholstery. Showcase innovative designs that reflect current trends, such as minimalist aesthetics or industrial looks. Highlight the importance of quality craftsmanship, as this will set your products apart and justify higher price points. To crafting techniques, crafting miniature furniture requires both skill and creativity. Start with the basics by mastering essential woodworking and metalworking techniques. Familiarize yourself with tools like saws, drills, and soldering irons. Consider creating a workshop space that is not only functional but also inspiring, filled with materials and examples of your work. In the video, provide detailed demonstrations of crafting techniques, breaking them down into manageable steps. For example, show how to construct a simple chair from wood, emphasizing key techniques like cutting, sanding, and finishing. Discuss different types of finishes and paints that can enhance the aesthetic appeal and durability of the furniture. Moreover, encourage experimentation with mixed materials, combining wood with metal accents or incorporating textiles for upholstery. Showcase innovative designs that reflect current trends, such as minimalist aesthetics or industrial looks. Highlight the importance of quality craftsmanship, as this will set your products apart and justify higher price points. 3. Pricing your products. Determining the right pricing strategy is crucial for sustainability. Start by calculating the total cost of each piece, including materials, time spent crafting, and overhead costs like utilities or workspace rental. A common approach is to use a cost-plus pricing model, where you add a markup to your costs. However, it's essential to consider perceived value as well. Conduct competitor analysis to see how similar items are priced, ensuring you remain competitive without undervaluing your work. Offering tiered pricing can cater to different customer segments. For instance, simpler designs can be priced lower, while custom or intricate pieces can command higher prices. In the video, discuss psychological pricing strategies, such as setting prices just below whole numbers, for example $49.99 instead of $50, to make items seem more appealing. Additionally, emphasize the importance of transparent pricing. Clearly communicating what goes into each piece can enhance customer trust and justify pricing. For marketing and selling strategies. Effective marketing is key to reaching your target audience and driving sales. Utilize visual platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your miniature furniture in beautifully styled settings. Create engaging content that tells the story behind each piece, including the inspiration, materials used, and the crafting process. Consider using videos, reels, or live demonstrations to engage potential customers. Building a strong online presence is essential. Develop a professional website or an Etsy shop that highlights your brand identity. Ensure product listings are optimized for search engines by using relevant keywords and titles, descriptions, and tags. High-quality images capturing multiple angles and close-ups can significantly influence purchasing decisions. Consider leveraging email marketing to keep your audience informed about new products, promotions, and crafting tips. Offering exclusive discounts or early access to new collections can incentivize sign-ups. Collaborating with influencers or participating in online craft fairs can also broaden your reach and enhance credibility. In conclusion, crafting miniature wooden and metal furniture offers a unique blend of creativity and business potential. By understanding market dynamics, mastering crafting techniques, setting appropriate prices, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can navigate this niche successfully. Encourage viewers to embrace their creative journey, reminding them that with persistence and passion, they can turn their love for crafting into a profitable venture. With the right approach, the world of miniature furniture can not only enrich their lives, but also provide a sustainable income stream. video. I hope you found these tips on crafting miniature wooden and metal furniture helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be interested in crafting or home decor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great videos like this and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me, and it helps us grow our community of creators. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. You won't want to miss our special tips that can really boost your crafting business. Let's get started.